Hi, this is Kris with Craft Closet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a box. To do this, we are going to go to the website en.makercase.com. When we first get to the home page, it looks like this. There are 4 choices to choose from. We're going to choose a simple box just to show you how this website works. You will notice that there's a number of places on the side to fill in, and this is how we can change up the box. First, you can choose inches or millimeters. Next, the width, height, and depth. Are these the inside or outside dimensions? What material thickness you want, or you can also put in a custom thickness if you know the exact thickness of the material you're using. Next, you can decide, do you want to open or close box? This box right now is closed, and if you push open, it just takes the lid off. Then you decide what kind of edge joints you want or how you want it to hook together. If you want finger joints, it'll look like this, and you can change the size of the finger joints by pushing this slider. You can make them really small or really big. I kind of like to make them more on the smaller side. So I'll just leave that right there. Okay. I want to have a closed box, so I'm going to push closed. And there's also this T-slot joints. I've never used these before, and I'm not sure what they're for, but you can play around with them. So first we will put in the dimensions that we want. Our width, let's do 6 inches, and our height 6 inches, and our depth 6 inches. But if I wanted to make this like a Valentine's box, I might want to change the width to 4 inches. And that way it'll be kind of tall and skinny. Alright, now the next thing you do is download the box plans, and you just push the button and it'll take you to a new screen. This will show you what the box SVG is going to look like. You can change it so that it has no labels on it if you want. You can also change the different label colors. You can also add in curve or corner compensation if you know what these are and if you know how to use them. We do have some information about curve if you want to learn that in a different video. Okay, so I'm just going to leave these all the same, and I'm going to push download the SVG. And now that I have it downloaded, I'm going to bring it up on my computer. I'm using Adobe Illustrator right now. Okay, so then when you bring it up, it looks like this. Now, if I'm going to make this into a Valentine's box, I want to add a slot so that people can put the Valentines in. To do that, I'm just going to make a small rectangle and add it to the top section of the box. I'm also going to change this to the same color so that it has the same cut line color. Also at this point you could add engravings or text that you want to be engraved, whatever you want on your box. Then just save it as an SVG and you're ready to go. There's lots of different boxes you can make. You can add fronts to boxes of your own designs. Just be creative with it and have fun. I can't wait to see what you make. Make sure to tag us on social media at Craft Closet Supply. Thanks for watching.